It's a 2020. Alright, today's project is my 2020 Jeep Gladiator hood liner. These were hundreds of dollars direct from Mopar, and this Tinkering with Tom series will give you the details on how we did it a little cheaper. So I'm going to get it removed so I can cut the holes out for my lights, and then Tom will take over. And to kind of give you an idea of how bad it is, this is a result of that. It's a 2020. All right, recording. I did the hard part. I cut it out.
Hard.
You just got to hold on to the clips.
Yeah, I know. Keep from dropping.
Look at there. I cut it out real good. Almost looked like I knew what I was doing with a knife. Well, at least I won't be getting all that junk falling on me when I open the hood.
Yeah, I got tired of having to hold it up every time I open it to look at something under here. One there? No. It's over here. I mean, come on. Selena, let's do better on these things. That 5 years old shouldn't be falling apart like that.
It's right here near the
In the
center.
back corner.
Just past the light opening.
Oh. Mm. Where?
Just past the light opening. Right in there.
There's not one there.
There was one. Because I couldn't reach it.
It's over here. And the hole's right there.
Now you want the tool to cut one out? Alright, take two. We took it down because there was no hole.
Put that underneath your hood latch. Prop rod bracket if you can. There we go.
There was no hole back there in the corner or in the center. There's one on one side, not the other.
There we go. Let's just set it up.
And ironically, there's no holes in the front.
Yeah.
On the front, any of the front ones.
See if I mark it right. Bugs eat my legs up. Oh, come on now, I'm right there. Glasses. That's it. Just start now.
Always wants a booger.
There now. That got it.
course, it is hard to see under here.
It is.
It's forward. Forward.
Forward?
Yep. Right there.
There it is. I should have broken that one off there.
Yeah. Broken in there, darn it.
Damn it.
Dang, they break easy.
I don't get that.
This is taking longer than I thought it would. The wires fell back down. What?
Let's find the hole is the problem. There now. Okay. All the ones on the sides. I need to do two in the middle. And then we need to cut these holes up here at the front. These are a little bit easier to deal with, I guess, sort of. These clips. We'll see how long they last. Oh, where's my drill bit? There you go, hood blankets installed again. Not disintegrated.